In the heart of Africa's wild savannah, a king awakens, fierce, majestic, and unstoppable. The lion, the majestic king of the savannah, a symbol of courage, strength, and majesty. Lions are one of the most iconic predators of the wild, inspiring awe and respect. From playful cubs to powerful hunters, every lion has a unique story of survival and family. The mane of a male lion is not just for beauty, it signals age, health, and dominance. Lions are territorial animals. They mark their land using scent glands to warn intruders. Females are the main hunters, working in coordinated groups to catch their prey efficiently. With incredible speed and teamwork, lions can take down animals much larger than. Lions have excellent night vision, allowing them to hunt effectively under the cover of darkness. Lions rely on speed and coordination to bring down prey larger than themselves. Family bonds are strong. Lion cubs learn hunting and survival skills from their mothers. With excellent night vision, lions hunt effectively in the darkness. Despite their ferocious image, lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting. Lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away, helping communicate with the pride. Family bonds are strong. Cubs learn hunting and survival from their mothers. Lions are powerful, but even kings face dangers from rivals and humans. Adaptability allows lions to survive in deserts, grasslands, and forests. Strong limbs and sharp claws make lions excellent hunters. Learning by observation is key to becoming skilled hunters. Social grooming strengthens bonds within the pride. Together, lions survive and thrive in one of the toughest environments on Earth. Lions are the only cats that live in social groups called prides, unlike tigers or leopards. A lion's claws can grow up to 4 inches long, essential for gripping and bringing down prey. Playful fights among cubs teach essential hunting and survival skills. Lionesses usually hunt in groups, which increases their success rate dramatically. Male lions defend their territory fiercely to protect the pride from rivals. Lion cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years to learn survival and hunting skills. A lion's roar can travel up to 5 miles, serving as both warning and communication with the pride. Lions share food with their pride, ensuring all members survive and thrive. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for hunting and defending territory. Young lions learn by watching older members, preparing for their future as hunters. Lions are ambush hunters, relying on stealth, patience, and timing rather than pure speed. Lions are mostly nocturnal, hunting during cooler hours of the night to conserve energy. Hunting is a skill perfected over years. Lionesses rely on stealth and strategy to catch prey. Young lions practice stalking and pouncing, learning the art of hunting through observation and play. A coordinated hunt increases success, showing the intelligence and teamwork within a pride. Sharing food ensures that every member of the pride, from cubs to elders, survives. Male lions defend their pride fiercely, protecting the cubs and females from outsiders. Even after hunting play continues, cubs sharpen agility, coordination, and strength through fun. Water is essential for survival. Lions drink in groups, always alert to threats while hydrating. After a successful hunt, lions rest and recover, conserving energy for the challenges of tomorrow. The future of the pride depends on the young. Cubs learn, play, and grow under the protection of their family. Mother lions dedicate years to teaching survival skills, ensuring the pride thrives for generations. The roar of a lion is more than sound. It's a declaration of strength, territory, and pride. Once abundant across Africa and Asia, lions now face shrinking habitats due to human activity. Poaching and conflicts with humans threaten their survival, making conservation efforts critical. Protecting lions means protecting ecosystems. Conservation programs help maintain the balance of nature. With protection, future generations of lions can grow strong, continue hunting, and live freely. Lions are symbols of courage, power, and the wild. Their presence reminds us of the beauty of nature. The king of the Savannah continues to inspire awe, respect, and a sense of wonder in all who see him. This is the story of the lion. Majestic, powerful, social, and vulnerable. A king worth protecting for generations to come.